How to add Soundboard to Discord mobile. So if you want to add Soundboard to your Discord mobile, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. Once you have an internet connection, you need to open up your browser, and on your browser you need to go with your Discord. Make sure that you've logged into your Discord. Now after opening Discord on your browser, you just need simply go with the settings. You need to go with your server settings. So go with any server that you're comfortable with and go with the drop down under the server and then tap on server settings. Under your server settings, you will have an option of Soundboard under the expression section. You need to tap on Soundboard. Once you tap on it, now from here, you need to tap on upload sound, which is on the bottom of your screen, and select any sound that you would like to upload. So tap on upload sound and then choose a file, go with browse and then select a file and enter the sound name and go with the related emoji and then go with sound volume and tap on upload, which is on the bottom right. And in this way you'll be able to add Soundboard to your Discord mobile, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.